Okay, so you've pulled off the little rubber doodads on your power supply of your Xbox 360, and you go, oh crap. The whole thing didn't come out. There are screws underneath this little plug. The easiest way, without getting a hammer and beating the crap out of it, to get those out so you can access the screws. Really simple. You take one of these guys here and you insert it into the little center hole. You take a fancy screwdriver and start threading it in. And voila, poof, you've pulled that doodad out. You're welcome.